Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients are down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. For our last recipe of this week, we're going to be making a Halloween treat that I like to call Oreo Pumpkins. This is another easy, quick treat that you can grab the kids, have them help you make these, turn it into a nice family time project. If you all want to know how to make them, stick around and we'll get started. Alright, to get started we have a list of our ingredients. Just the original classic Oreo sandwiches, orange candy melts, we have some white chocolate chips we're going to melt, some semi-sweet chocolate chips we're going to melt to decorate, sprinkles if that's something that you will want to use, and then these little decorating pins that I got at my local Walmart. We're going to use those to draw on some vines and to draw some faces on our pumpkins. Alright, let's begin. We're going to start off by melting our candy melts in the microwave. Just follow the instructions that are on the bag that you have. We'll see you guys in a little bit. We're going to do our initial dunk. Just take them, insert the fork into the cream filling. Help it along. Alright, now we're going to make our faces on some of our pumpkins. Super easy. I'm just using this little rider gel. So cute. Alright, and then to make vines on them, just poke little holes. Stick half of a peanut in there, and how cute is that? So cute. Okay, now that we've gotten our white chocolate melted, I'm going to show you something you can do with it to decorate these. Take it, go across them. Get you a nice streak. Clean your fork off. Now we can sprinkle some glitter on those. Also just take it Alright, the last thing we're going to do is use some of the melted semi-sweet chocolate chips we've got. So what'd you guys think? Another fun Halloween treat that is super kid friendly. You can customize these however you want. Decorate them with sprinkles, different kinds of chocolates, different colored candy melts. You can turn them into the pumpkins, the little jack-o'-lanterns. So adorable. This would be something fun for you to make with your kids at school if you're a teacher or a Sunday school teacher at church. So easy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up down below. Also, if you want 2 awesome recipes every week, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. From my home to yours, enjoy.